Hello and welcome to Zootastic. I'm Mark and I'm absolutely thrilled to take you on another journey into the fascinating world of our amazing animal residents today. And today we're mentally traveling to a picturesque Spanish island group, or rather, we're visiting one of our smallest yet so fascinating lizards right here at the Allwetterzoo Muenster in Germany. Hold on tight, it's going to be fast, it's going to be colorful, and definitely a true master of survival. And we're talking about the Ibiza wall lizard. With its vibrant colors and rapid movements, it's a real exceptional creature that has perfectly adapted to its home. But what exactly makes this small lizard so unique and its life so special? Let's take a closer look. The Ibiza wall lizard is a small and elegant lizard. It reaches a length of about 20 centimeters, that's about 8 inches, and has a slender body. Its most striking feature is its incredible color diversity. The coloration varies greatly from population to population and ranges from vibrant green to turquoise, brown, gray, and even a strong black. Often, the animals are covered in spots, stripes, or a net-like pattern. And this diversity has developed through isolation on the various islands of the lizard's home. The males are often more brightly colored than the females. And these fascinating reptiles are native to the Pitusic Islands, that's a subgroup of the Balearic Islands in Spain, and this includes the islands of Ibiza, Formentera, and numerous smaller islets and rocks. And they live in a wide variety of habitats, from dune landscapes and coastal rocks to gardens and olive groves. They are diurnal and spend their time basking in the sun and foraging for food. Imagine them sitting on a warm rock, watching the world go by, an unforgettable sight that reflects the tranquility of these islands. But how do these small animals actually live, and what makes their way of life so special? And this is one of the most fascinating characteristics of the Ibiza wall lizard. They are exceptionally nimble and fast, and when in danger, they flee at lightning speed into the smallest rock crevices or under vegetation. They are known for being very curious and getting used to the presence of humans, especially if there's food. Ibiza wall lizards are solitary, but they live at high densities, and this means you can find a lot of them in the same area. The males are territorial and defend their territory against rivals, often through impressive threat displays. And a truly super interesting fact about the Ibiza wall lizard is its adaptation to the different islands. On every single small island, on every rock they inhabit, a unique subspecies with a distinct appearance has developed. On some rocks, they are pitch black to absorb heat better. On others, they are bright green to camouflage themselves in the vegetation. And this color polymorphism is a classic example of evolution on islands. The lizards have adapted to their respective environments to survive as best as possible. It's really fascinating how one species can give rise to so many different forms. But what do these small hunters actually eat? The Ibiza wall lizard is an omnivore. Its main diet consists of small insects like ants, beetles and spiders, as well as snails and worms. And they are also known to eat plant matter, especially fruit, nectar and pollen. And this wide range of food allows them to survive in the often sparse habitats. They are excellent hunters and ambush predators. At the Allwetterzoo Muenster in Germany, the Ibiza wall lizards naturally receive a diet specifically tailored to their needs, consisting of insects, special pellets and fresh fruit. This not only keeps them healthy, but also mimics their natural diet as closely as possible. They are truly efficient and important members of the ecosystem. Unfortunately, the Ibiza wall lizard is also threatened. While the main population on the larger islands is stable, the small isolated populations on the smaller islets are endangered. The main threats are the introduction of foreign species such as cats and snakes, as well as the loss of their habitat through tourism and infrastructure projects. The conservation of these specific populations is crucial for the genetic diversity of the species. And zoological gardens like the Allwetter Zoo Muenster offer us the opportunity to experience these impressive animals up close. They help us learn more about the unique biodiversity of the Balearic Islands and to understand why the protection of these special lizards is so important. In the zoo, you can observe the Ibiza wall lizard in a terrarium that mimics their rocky and sunny home. It's on the second floor of the aquarium, by the way. So spend some time in front of the enclosure. They often sit on walls or rocks to sunbathe, and it's incredibly exciting and fascinating at the same time to observe these small, yet so astonishing animals. And every Ibiza wall lizard in the zoo helps us learn more about the species and tell its fascinating story. And that's already it for today on Zootastic from the Allwetter Zoo Muenster in Germany, and I hope you enjoyed this little dive into the life of the Ibiza wall lizard. And I really look forward to welcoming you again next time. See you soon and stay animalistically curious.